subject English, class 5th to 7th, and today's topic is noun gender. So let's start. What is a gender? First of all, we have to understood what is a gender. Gender क्या है? Then gender denotes sex, whether a noun is a male or female or can be both. Can be both, which means common or lifeless. Here lifeless we are denoting with the word neuter. Okay, so let's start. What is a gender? Gender denotes a sex, whether a noun is a male or female or can be both or लाइफलेस, विच मीन्स जेंडर क्या है? जेंडर एक ऐसा वर्ड होता है जो हमें ये बताता है कि जो हमारा नाउन है वो किस कैटेगरी में, वो मेल से लिंक है या फीमेल से लिंक है या दोनों, विच मीन्स दैट इज रिलेटेड टू कॉमन और न्यूटर. सो देयर इज अ 4 टाइप्स ऑफ जेंडर इन इंग्लिश. टाइप्स ऑफ जेंडर. Okay, let's start. We have categorized into 4 parts. First is masculine, second feminine, third is common, and fourth one neuter. So let's start with the first type of a gender, that is masculine. Now, what is a masculine gender? Masculine gender that denotes the noun is related to male. We can understood that masculine, the word ma, it's denoted like a man or male. The word is common is m. So we have to understood that the masculine, the m for man and m for male, that denotes to noun that is a related to male, man or boy. And feminine, that denotes noun is related to female. And we have to understand that female, that is a f word, that have took f for female, related to a feminine or related to a girl. Now we have to move on. What is a common gender? That is related to, it can be we can take example child. Okay, now child, it can be a girl or it can be a boy. So that the thing that is denoted to both, which means masculine and feminine both, that is denotes a common gender. Now move to the part neuter gender. It denotes that the noun either a male, that denotes the noun that is lifeless, which means that has no life, is a neuter gender. Take an example: chair, star, pen, television, which means TV, etc. Now we have to understood what is a gender. Gender that denotes a sex, whether a noun is a male or female. ऐसा जो हमें ये डिनोट करता है कि हमारा जो नाउन है वो मेल कैटेगरी का है या फीमेल कैटेगरी का है या कॉमन है, विच मीन्स दैट टेक इनटू मेल और फीमेल or a lifeless, which means a neuter gender. Now move on to a types of gender. There are 4 types in English. First is masculine, second is feminine, third is common, and fourth is a neuter. Masculine, which means that denotes that the noun is a male. That example, boy, priest, tiger, etc. And what is a feminine gender? That denotes the noun is female. For example, we can take an example, girl, cow, princess, etc. Now move to third part, that is the common gender. And what is a common gender? It denotes that the noun can be either a male or a female. Take an example, we have already took child, actor. Actor is both, that is a girl and related to a boy as well. Criminal, cook, doctor, it's animal. Yes, we have taken example of animal. And now move on, number 4 part, neuter gender. It denotes a noun that is a lifeless, which means that has a no life, जिसकी कोई life नहीं. We can take non-living things. Yes, non-living things is also called neuter gender. Like example, take an example, chair, star, desk, doll, sky, pen, television, etc. Now children, all of you have to read about what is a noun, gender and types of a gender, and then we have to move on the transformation of masculine gender into feminine gender. Okay. Transformation of masculine gender into feminine gender. Point number 1, we can change a noun in a masculine gender into feminine by adding ESS. We can add ESS, the word, at the end of a masculine noun to change into feminine. Okay. Now we have a word that is ESS, that is a S. We can add an end of the masculine noun to change into feminine. Let's take an example, like author. It's a author, and in the end of the word we simply add ESS to make it feminine gender. We can have another example like poet, the poetess. Okay. Point number 2. Point number 2 is we can remove the last vowel. Focus on that last vowel and add S, which means ESS at the end of a masculine masculine noun to change into feminine. Let's take an example. Master is mistress. Here A is a vowel or E is a vowel, and when we remove it at the end of a masculine, that change into feminine gender, and simply add ESS, that is change into feminine gender. Master to mistress, waiter, waitress. Now take an point number 3. Yes, we can change the masculine part in a compound word into feminine. Now look that we can change the masculine part in a compound word into feminine. Let's take an example like grandfather. Grandfather. Change into simply, we all know that, grandmother. Like other example, landlord, that is landlady. Now we have some points to transformations of masculine gender into feminine gender, and we have already read about noun gender, types of gender, and all of you have the notes. What is a noun? What is the types of noun? Gender, types of gender. And now solve the exercise. Thank you.